here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, the weather's still a bit dreary this evening. Low clouds, mist, drizzle, and fog. But hold on, there's some improvements around the corner. Go to live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. We don't have any heavy rain. Of course, that was last night. Picked up anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain. But certainly the air is damp. It's wet. We've had occasional mist and drizzle throughout the evening hours, and this should continue for at least a few more hours before the clouds start to break apart. So the damp air continues. A warming trend on the way, and a major shift in the weather pattern ahead. Now, we usually talk about the weather pattern. We're referring to the storm track or the jet stream. It's going to readjust itself starting tomorrow and extending through all of next week, and we'll show you what that adjustment will bring on the 7-day Futurecast. Meanwhile, downtown Providence, gray, damp, and cool at 54. A west breeze just barely blowing there at 3 miles per hour. Humidity on the high side at 90%. Temperatures haven't really budged in the last 6 hours. I mean, it's been in the low to mid-50s all night long. 57 Coast Guard House down in Narragansett, 56 in Newport, up at Emerald Bay Manor in Cumberland at 54. That includes Picasa Bay Manor in Johnston. Over in East Providence, similar temperature in the lower 50s. Other locations with temperatures in the low to mid-50s as well. From Groton, New London, Westerly, Block Island 54, and Taunton coming in at 52 degrees. Satellite radar composite storm from yesterday. Last night they gave us the heavy rain, spinning off the coast of Maine with a shield of heavy rain. This will pull away, even though we have the low clouds. You can see the gray color in here on the satellite. There are breaks in the clouds through upstate New York and drier air, and that will come down just in time for tomorrow. Overnight tonight, just more of the same, low clouds and fog, some drizzle early on. The clouds will probably spill over into very early tomorrow morning, but the trend will be for increasing amounts of sunshine. The morning hours not bad. Temperatures between 55 and 59 between 7 and 8:30 in the morning. Kids heading out to school. And throughout the morning and especially during the afternoon, here comes the sun and much warmer. High temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Compare that to only 59 degrees that we had this afternoon. Futurecast takes us into 8 o'clock in the morning. Some leftover clouds, but watch the increasing amounts of sunshine. The temperatures respond nicely into the 70s. A little cooler along the south shore. Some extra clouds by tomorrow evening, but overall looking pretty good. Here it is in more detail for you Thursday afternoon. Upper 60s to lower 70s on the south shore. Winds turning southwest in the afternoon. Mid to upper 70s inland. Looks good on the Cape and the islands. Temps in the upper 60s with sunshine. Southeastern Mass ranging from 71 in New Bedford to 78 in Taunton. There's your bay forecast. West breeze turning southwest at 10 to 20. That change in the weather pattern favors better weather. Check out that 7-day Futurecast. Nice on Friday. Weekend still looks good and getting even warmer by next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, as temperatures push 80 degrees. Now, each day the coastline's a little cooler with a sea breeze. Exclusively on the iPhone Channel 12 app. You can download it for free from iTunes to get local news, weather, and sports. So the streak starts tomorrow afternoon.
We're ready for it.
We're ready.
Okay. Coming up.